Although the cost of brand new SUVs has undeniably skyrocketed, shoppers don't necessarily have to relinquish their dreams of owning one. Used models are becoming increasingly popular in this segment due to more wallet-friendly prices and available options. In other words, you don't need a six-figure salary to get your hands on an SUV, and there are plenty of affordable options available in the used market. Hello car aficionados, this is Keely from Carland TV, and in this video, I've listed some of the best used SUVs you can buy right now. From compact crossovers that offer ample space for 4 passengers to full-size offerings with 3 rows accommodating up to 7 people, used buyers can find what they're looking for at almost any price range these days. Before I start, I must remind my viewers that it isn't a complete rundown of all the used SUVs in the market. I just handpicked specific units that have impressed reliability despite being in the used category already. If you have any objections or alternatives, please drop them in the comment section below. Also, I would like you to ask the favor of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel out a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. 2017 Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox is designed to deliver maximum comfort and enjoyable driving experience. The small SUV boasts plenty of legroom, providing a relaxing ride that keeps you comfortable at all times. Plus, its low transaction prices make it a remarkable value for money proposition. When it comes to features, the 2017 Equinox has you covered, with Bluetooth connectivity, a 7-inch touchscreen display, Wi-Fi hotspot access, and more. Moreover, if that wasn't enough, the car also gets a V6 engine option in addition to amenities such as leather upholstery with heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and an automatic climate control system for ultimate convenience when traveling long distances or navigating through tough terrain. 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe stands out from the crowd for offering an all-inclusive package that's luxurious and functional at once. It boasts a sharp, modern look complemented by state-of-the-art features that one wouldn't expect in such an affordable midsize SUV. The available V6 engine is responsive enough to power the vehicle on highways with ease, a huge plus compared to the weaker-based 4-cylinder. Plus, you get alloy wheels, handy USB ports, remote keyless entry, and a 7-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay/Android Auto connectivity as standard too. In addition to these bonuses, advanced safety systems are also included, which consist of forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. So there are no doubts it gives more than expected value for money. 2019 to 2022 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a top pick for shoppers on the hunt for an entry-level SUV. Inside, there's enough space to fit passengers in both the front and rear comfortably, with generous cargo room that makes it perfect for family outings. The base model comes standard with an impressive level of safety features as well. Additionally, its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers accelerated performance while giving up to 34 miles per gallon when driving around town combined. Furthermore, it also has a hybrid option if the budget permits. However, all-wheel drive isn't included in this budget-friendly deal, and while the infotainment system looks slightly outdated compared to other models on the market today, at just $22,000 MSRP price point, you can resolutely anticipate value out of your purchase. 2019 to 2022 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a great compromise between utility and size. Not as bulky as its older sibling the Outback, this cost-effective, compact car easily fits into tighter parking spots and narrower streets without making a significant sacrifice when it comes to cargo space. Additionally, all models come with Subaru's advanced eyesight safety equipment along with standard all-wheel drive. It also houses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine for moderate power throughout. Not quite on par with the turbocharged cars, yet returns an impressive 29 miles per gallon combined, allowing you to save at the pump too. On top of that, it's reasonably priced at $21,307 for the MT Clean retail version. How does one say no? 2019 to 2022 Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is certainly a force to be reckoned with in the 3-row SUV market. Its flagship offers features as subtle, confident design and class-leading safety technology as standard. Every model comes equipped with lane departure warning, automatic braking, and lane keep assist, helping drivers navigate their way through unfamiliar roads and adverse conditions without worry. In addition, each one is powered by a remarkable 3.5-liter V6 engine that easily handles any terrain with ease. Although the interior of the vehicle provides ample space and storage capacity throughout all 3 rows of seating, it can feel somewhat dated compared to its competitors on the market today when evaluating every feature it has available overall. Additionally, many drivers have noted that its 9-speed automatic transmission can occasionally compromise comfort during shifts into different gears, making handling less enjoyable than expected from an otherwise reliable automobile such as this one. Investing in a mid-tier trim level should alleviate these concerns. 2021 BMW X4. Tales of versatility, convenience, and superb performance come to life with the BMW X4. Packing a 248 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine as standard, this compact SUV allows you to maximize your off-road experience without sacrificing power or fuel efficiency. The spacious interior features adult-friendly seating in both rows for maximum cabin comfort, but it's far from lacking when it comes to cargo capacity. Even if slightly smaller than many competitors in its class, moreover, the intuitive iDrive infotainment system boasts Apple CarPlay connectivity to keep you connected while on the go. Feel free and undisturbed with power-adjustable front seats plus tri-zone automatic climate control, so every passenger is comfortable no matter what corner of the globe they're visiting. 2021 to 2022 Nissan Rogue. Compact, feature-packed, practical, and roomy, the Nissan Rogue is the whole package. It's no surprise this SUV is consistently one of America's strongest-selling vehicles. Ticking off boxes from economy to value and convenience features, there was virtually nothing stopping it until the 2021 redesign. Now boasting a better Pro Pilot system on every model above base editions, drivers have an extra layer of intelligence during their commute along with a 4-cylinder engine, which gets 30 miles per gallon combined, thanks to smart fuel economy design. The Rogue might not drive like some of its fancier competitors, but what makes it stand out is its versatility. From passengers to cargo space, you get lots of bang for your buck without needing an extra wallet for additional features too. Speaking of money, the MSRP for a 2021-2022 Nissan Rogue stands at $25,200, providing unprecedented savings when compared to similar SUVs on the market. 2020 to 2024 Ford Explorer. Featuring a sturdy 4-wheel drive and terrain management system alongside an unmissable exterior style, the 2020 Ford Explorer has been completely reimagined with its rear-wheel platform, conveniently accommodating up to 3 rows of seating and boasting a highly capable tow rating. This powerful vehicle makes sure your needs are met no matter the destination. Packed with features both luxurious and practical, you can select from a variety of trims, including the versatile Hybrid Edition as well as the high-performance ST model. The base engine proudly presents a turbocharged 4-cylinder, while you'll be presented with an impressive twin-turbo V6 in those top-range Platinum models. However, do take note that space is limited towards the rear, thus it might not satisfy larger families. Also, customers may find some lower-level trim interiors slightly basic compared to other offerings, but it's certainly something worth considering if budget-conscious. 2020 to 2022 Lexus RX. Since its release, the Lexus RX has been a leader in the luxury SUV segment. It is not only comfortable and quiet on the road, but also equipped with features that enhance both safety and technology. Buyers can choose between several different trims, each offering distinct styling for maximum personalization from classically bland SUVs. I recommend avoiding the overly firm F Sport trim as well as the restrictive 3-row L model. Instead, select one of the 2-row models to experience its smooth performance in full glory. What truly sets this vehicle apart from others is its reliability, an inherent feature that does not require extra effort or maintenance from drivers, making it a top pick for those who wish to have peace of mind knowing their car will perform trustworthy during long trips or around town errands. 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. Toyota's RAV4 has earned its reputation as a gold standard in the compact SUV segment for good reason. With impressive cargo and passenger space, plus reliable performance, there is something to please even the most discerning customer. Adventure and off-road editions add an extra dash of character with improved bad weather handling and elevated ground clearance. Additionally, fuel efficiency enthusiasts will love the variety of powertrain options available, ranging from economical 4-cylinders to eco-friendly hybrids, plus plug-in hybrid versions for those looking to make an even bigger environmental impact. Test driving beforehand is essential though, as its slightly firm suspension might not suit all, especially if you prioritize comfort over confidence behind the wheel. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.